So now that we have the overall shape of this side, we'll now switch to our top view. Make sure your plane is set into the center of the plan view. Then, using the gumball extrude, we can now pull it out. Now we have a 3D shape. See, we can go back into our front view now, and we'll make some adjustments so that this side touches the top of our outline. So you can see that the shape will now follow the overall curve. Now we'll go back into our top view. We'll set it to ghosted. We'll switch between our flat view and curved view using tab. And we'll bring each point so that the shape follows this dotted line, this dashed line. You see, you might get a point where you can see the bottom and the top together. To make this more simple, if you see this, just use Control-Shift to select one point and bring it parallel to the lower point. This just makes it easier to look at and to get accurate shape. So you can see by switching between the flat view and the curved view, really helps.